Hey, welcome to Common Man Tech. This is how you can hear me without any microphone. So let's unbox a new microphone for our channel.
Okay, let's test it out.
This is noise reduction level 3. I personally recommend this mic. It is very easy to install, easy to learn, very easy to use. I like this noise reduction mode. Level 3, you can't hear any noise around me. So yeah, definitely this is one of the best mic.
Available.
Share this video because technology is for everyone. See you next time. Bye.